Welcome to our channel. Activating your new MetroPCS SIM card connects your phone to the network. Follow this full tutorial for successful activation. Step 1. Locate the SIM card number printed on your MetroPCS SIM card package. You'll need this information for activation. Step 2. Turn off your phone completely before removing the old SIM card or inserting the new one. Step 3. Insert the MetroPCS SIM card into your phone's SIM card tray. Make sure it's properly aligned and seated. Step 4. Power on your phone and wait for it to fully boot up. Step 5. Visit metrobytemobile.com or call Metro customer service at their activation phone number. Step 6. Provide your SIM card number, phone's IMEI number, and personal account information. Step 7. Select or confirm your Metro service plan during the activation process. Step 8. Complete activation by entering payment information. Your phone will restart or display network signal within a few minutes. Test by making a call or sending a text message to confirm service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.